Hey guys, welcome back to Macintosh Weekly, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to change the lock screen wallpaper on macOS. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. For changing the lock screen wallpaper, you'll need any image in PNG format. If you don't have an image in PNG format, convert it using Preview or Quick Actions. For converting images on a Mac, follow the guide from the I button. Now, after converting the image or locating it, rename it as following. After renaming the file, click on Go and, from the drop-down, click on Go to the folder and enter the following directory path. In this directory, you'll find a hexadecimal folder UUID name. Open the folder, and you should find a lockscreen.png file. Now, drag and drop, or copy-paste the lockscreen.png file you created into this folder, overwriting the existing lockscreen.png file. May require authenticating with Touch ID or an admin login. And now, you're done. Next time upon restarting, switching to users, or logging out, you'll have your customized background. Also, this lock screen customization will persist until you change the wallpaper on the Mac. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.